Hello everyone, welcome to Malar Education channel. This is Malar. Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Malar Education channel. Previous video link and playlist link attached in this video description box. Previous video we discussed about four type of topology, that is voltage series feedback, current series feedback, voltage shunt feedback and current shunt feedback. In this video let me discuss about four type of topology, input and output resistance calculations, derivation part. Okay. Before enter the topic, I will give key points about this topic. This is the key points related to today's topic. In these sessions, very useful for Anna University theory examination. Okay. There are two type of calculation: input resistance Ri and output resistance R not F. Okay, ROF. There are 5 points. Okay, for input calculations. First step: draw the equivalent circuit diagram. Equivalent circuit diagram based on Thevenin's network or Norton's network. Based on the four type of topology, that is current series, current shunt, voltage series and voltage shunt. Next, apply Kirchhoff voltage law or Kirchhoff current law. These also based on the type of the topology to the input side, because input calculation, no, so input side. Next step, if Kirchhoff voltage law means the equation is Vs equal to IIRI plus Vf. If Kirchhoff current law means KCL, that is Is equal to II plus If. Next step, apply voltage divider rule. V0 equal to AVVI RL divided by R0 plus RL. This equation also vary based on the type of topology. If current, that is if current equation means apply current divider rule. I0 equal to GMVI R0 divided by R0 plus RL. Next step, ordinary simplifications. Finally, we will receive the answer as RIF, that is for input resistance with feedback. Okay. Output resistance calculations, the same step to be followed by the input resistance. Here the difference is, draw the equivalent circuit diagram based on the Thevenin's or Norton's circuit. Here input to be short circuited or open circuited based on the type of the topology. Next, apply KVL or KCL. Okay. Next step, KVL related to equation or KCL related to equations. These also based on the type of topology. Next, apply current divider rule. Next step, ordinary simplifications. We will receive the answer as R not F, that is R output of F, output feedback resistance. Here the additional step is R not dash F calculations. Okay, this is nothing, R not parallel RL simplification concept. Okay, calculation. These two are the additional point compared to the input resistance calculation. Input short circuited or open circuited. Another one here, there is input and output, the R naught and RL simple ordinary calculations, parallel calculations. Okay. We know there are four type of topology, isn't it? Each and every topology having input resistance calculations as well as output resistance calculations. If you try to understand any one of these four, the remaining three will be the same. Just keep these key points in your mind so we can easily derive this session. See the heading, effect of input and output resistance of negative feedback amplifier, or expression for input and output resistance for four topology. Both are same. Okay. See the first one, voltage series feedback amplifier. It's nothing, series shunt. See here, this is for sampling network. This is for sampling. Sorry, this is for sampling. Okay, this is for mixing. Okay, we know mixing as input side, sampling as output side. Okay, this is for output, this is for input side. Voltage series feedback amplifier. First heading, input resistance calculation. This is the equivalent circuit diagram of input resistance calculations for voltage series feedback amplifier. See the diagram, input side voltage source, VF, that is feedback voltage, source voltage along with input resistor. For the output section, they having AV into VI, input source, that is our source circuit, and output resistance along with one load resistance. Here feedback network, we know the formula for beta equal to VF by V0, isn't it? VF by V0 for beta calculations. So here also write VF equal to beta into V0. This is for input section. So that RIF for input feedback resistance. We know Ohm's law, V equal to IR, isn't it? So R equal to V by I. Similarly here also R equal to VI by, that is V source voltage divided by input current. Next, this is for output resistance with feedback. This is for simple calculations that is related to R naught, and RL parallel calculation. Okay. Next, apply Kirchhoff voltage law to the input side. See the input section. This is for input section. Okay. Vs equal to Vs equal to Ii into Ri. Okay. We know Ohm's law, that is Kirchhoff voltage law. V equal to IR, isn't it? I into R. So Ii, that is Vi, nothing. Vi can be replaced by Ii into Ri. So Ii here, Ri here, plus Vf. Okay, that is for feedback voltage. So Vf. Next step, you have to substitute the beta. That is Vf equal to, instead of beta, that is Vf equal to beta into V naught. Substitute here. Vs equal to Ii into Ri plus beta into V naught. The equation number 2. Next, by using voltage divider rule. This is for voltage divider rule. Okay, divider rule. We know voltage divider rule means, see here, AV into VI R naught divided by R naught plus RL. These two resistors are in addition format. These two are in multiplication format. This is for voltage divider rule. Okay, these both are multiplication content and these two are addition content. So AV into VI into R naught, the whole divided by R naught plus RL. This is for voltage divider rule. V naught equal to AV into VI RL divided by R naught plus RL. Next step, this numerator term VI goes to the denominator term, left side denominator term. So V naught divided by VI. Okay. V naught divided by VI equal to AV. That's, see here, this is for small v. Okay. AV RL divided by R naught plus RL. Take the whole term as capital A into capital V. See the difference between small v and capital V. I will explain what's the difference between small v and capital V. Okay. That is A, nothing but gain. Okay. Gain of the, that is voltage gain. This is also voltage gain. There is a small difference between small v and capital V. Okay. The whole term, take it as capital AV. AV equal to AV RL divided by R naught plus RL. Next step, AV equal to, okay, it's nothing, V output by V input. V output by V input, nothing, AV. That is for voltage gain. Voltage gain of the circuit. So V naught by V input. That is V naught equal to AV into VI. So V naught equal to AV into VI. Take equation number 3. Next step, substitute equation number 3 in 2. We know equation number 2. This is for equation number 2. Substitute V naught equal to the following term. Okay. V naught equal to, substitute here, Vs equal to Ii Ri plus beta into V naught. Substitute the value of V naught here. Equation 2 can be replaced as Vs equal to Ia into Ri plus beta into AV into Vi. Next step, we know Vi equal to Ohm's law, V equal to IR, isn't it? Vi means Ia into Ri. So substitute here, Vi equal to Ia into Ri. Next step, take the common term Ia into Ri to the outside. So remaining as, here Ia into Ri outside means the remaining is 1. So 1 plus beta into AV. Okay. Next step, we know our aim to find the calculation of RIF. Okay, that is input feedback resistance. So RIF equal to, same, according to Ohm's law, R equal to V by I, isn't it? Similarly here also, RIF equal to, F represent for feedback. RIF equal to Vs by Is. Okay, Vs by S, that is nothing. The above equation is Vs, isn't it? The whole divided by Ii means the Ia get cancelled. The remaining is the whole term, remaining term. Ri into 1 plus beta into AV. See here, input resistance with feedback for voltage series amplifier equal to Ri into 1 plus beta into AV. Here 1 plus beta into AV term in the multiplication term. Okay, multiplication means that is for increasing concept. Okay, so input resistance with feedback along with feedback for the voltage series amplifier is increases because the beta term to be multiplication product. Okay, multiplication term. That's all about input calculation of the voltage series amplifier. Next, move to the output impedance calculation. Okay, impedance or resistance. Okay, output impedance calculations. First step, you have to draw the equivalent circuit diagram, whether Thevenins or Nortons. Next, for output calculations, the key point, you have to remember the key point. the output calculation for, otherwise output impedance calculation for any resistance is first step to short circuit the input section. Okay, here this is for short circuit. There is no connection in between this section. Okay, next remaining is same, Ri, AB into Bi, R0 and RL. Another one point here, B naught can be replaced by B. There is a difference, slightly different between before the session and in this session. B naught can be replaced by B. Next, same procedure to be followed here. Apply Kirchhoff voltage law to the output side because output calculation, no. So apply KVL to the output side. See the output section. Here V equal to AB into Bi plus I, that is I into R0. Okay. So V equal to AB into Bi plus I into R0. Next step, take the term, this is the term, I into R0 equal to, here, I into R0 equal to V minus AV into Vi, isn't it? So I equal to V minus AV into Vi divided by R0. So this is here, okay. V minus AV into Vi divided by R0. Take equation number 1. Next step for input calculation, Vi equal to, we know, there's Vi, there's source resistor Vi equal to, that is Vs equal to Vi plus Vf, isn't it? Vs equal to Vi plus Vf for input section. But here, input section Vs as short circuited. So Vs tends to be 0. So substitute 0 means 0 equal to Vi plus Vf. Okay. So next Vi equal to minus Vf. It's correct. So Vi equal to minus Vf. That's for here. Substitute the value. Okay, beta. That is Vf equal to beta into A, we know. So Vf minus Vf equal to minus beta into V. Next step, this is take equation number 2. Next step, substitute Vi value to the above equations, above these sessions. Okay. So I equal to V plus AV into beta into V divided by R0. Next step, for the numerator, we take it as outside, common term to outside. So V equal to 1 plus beta into AV divided by R0. Next step, the output resistance with feedback is R0 F. Okay. With the feedback, V R0 F equal to V by I. V by substitute the back, the whole term as I. Okay. So V by I. Numerator V and denominator term V get cancelled. The final answer is R0 F equal to R0 divided by 1 plus beta into AV. See the comparison between the term. Here 1 plus beta AV in the denominator term. Okay. Denominator means that is for output resistance of the voltage series feedback amplifier to be decreases. We know for multiplication means R input F increases. Okay. And division means R output F decreases. This is a concept for increasing and decreasing concept. Okay. For output calculations, one more additional step. That's the very easiest step. That is for the output resistance with feedback R0, that is R dash of F, including RL as part of the amplifier is given by. Because here, see the diagram. Here, see the diagram. This is RL, isn't it? RL to be additionally added for the calculation. So RL formula R dash of F equal to R0 F parallel RL. We know the parallel formula. If the two resistors are connected in parallel means the formula is for parallel connections R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. The same formula to be applied here. That is for R0 F parallel RL. That is for R0 F RL divided by R0 F plus RL. Okay. See, substitute the value of R0 F. We know R0 F equal to R0 divided by 1 plus beta into AV. Substitute the value of R0. This is the whole term as R0 F. Here also the whole term is R0 F. Okay. Next step, take the LCM for the numerator as well as the denominator. Okay. So numerator LCM is 1 plus beta into AV. The remaining term for the numerator is R0 and RL. The whole divided by denominator also take the LCM for the denominator term. So 1 plus R0 plus RL into 1 plus beta into AV. The whole divided by 1 plus beta into AV. Numerator, that is numerator term, that is 1 plus beta into AV, as well as denominator term 1 plus beta into AV get cancelled. For calculations, the remaining next step is R dash of F equal to R naught RL divided by R naught plus RL beta into AB. Okay, that is nothing. RL multiplied to the inside. That is for the third term. For next step, divided by numerator as well as the denominator by R naught plus RL. See, numerator term divided by R naught plus RL means R naught RL divided by R naught plus RL. The whole divided by, next step for the denominator term, R naught plus RL beta into AB, isn't it? The whole term divided by R naught plus RL. So R naught plus RL, second term also R naught plus RL, the third term also R naught plus RL. See here, take the first two terms, R naught plus RL, okay, here numerator is same, so R naught plus RL. This is written here, okay. R naught plus RL get cancelled, so 1. That is for 1. Okay. Here R naught beta into AB divided by R naught plus RL. For final, the whole term, numerator the whole term, take it as R dash naught. Okay. R dash naught, that is nothing, R naught RL divided by R naught plus RL. And denominator term AB, that is the whole term. The whole term is, okay. 1 plus AB into RL divided by R naught plus RL, that is nothing for voltage divider rule. Voltage divider rule. Okay. 1 plus RL beta, that is the whole term is that is A naught, capital AB equal to here R dash F equal to R naught RL divided by R naught plus RL. Capital AB equal to AB into RL divided by R naught plus RL. R dash of F equal to R naught dash divided by 1 plus beta into AB. Here beta factor to be in the denominator term. So denominator means the value to be decreases. The output resistance of the feedback amplifier to be decreases. Second type of feedback is current series feedback amplifier. This is the equivalent circuit diagram of input resistance calculation. Here Vs and feedback voltage Vf along with input resistor. Here Ia, that is input current. For output section, here Gm into Vi and R0 and RL, that is a load resistor. Current series feedback amplifier is nothing, series and series. Okay, here series for sampling, first one is sampling, second one is mixing. Mixing for input section. Okay, this is for mixing means input section, this is for output section. Same calculations, the only difference is here current series amplifier, no. So here, let me see. Applying Kirchhoff voltage law to the input side. This is for input side. Apply Kirchhoff voltage law. Vs equal to Ia into Ri plus Vf. Okay. Vs equal to Ia into Ri plus Vf. Next step. Vs equal to Ia into Ri. Substitute. That is Vf equal to beta into I0. Vf equal to beta into I0. Substitute here. Beta into I0. Take equation number 1. Next step. Apply current divider rule. That is current divider theorem. See here. Gm into Vi R0 divided by R0 plus RL. Gm into Vi R0 divided by R0 plus RL. This is for current divider rule. Next step, that is I0. I0 equal to the whole term. Okay, the whole term, take it as, this is for whole term, no. Take it as capital Gm. See the difference between capital M and small m. Okay, here small m means here small m means open circuit trans conductance. Capital M means there's open circuit trans conductance, here taking RL into the account. That's the difference. Here without RL, here with RL. There's a difference between small m and capital M. Next, substitute equation number 2 in 1. This is for equation number 2. No, this is for equation number 1. Substitute equation number 2. That's I0 value. I0 value to here. So Vs equal to Ia into Ri, beta into I0 value was Gm into Vi. Okay. So next step. Vs equal to Ia into Ri plus Gm into beta. We know according to Ohm's law V equal to IR. So Vi equal to Ia into Ri. So Ia into Ri. Next step, take the common term Ia into Ri to the outside. So remaining is 1 plus capital Gm into beta. Okay. That is the first step is input calculation of input resistance calculations with feedback. RIF equal to Vs by Ii. This is for Vs. Okay. So Vs, the whole term is Vs. The Vs, that is Ia, Ri into 1 plus gm into beta, the whole divided by ii. ii and numerator ii get cancelled. The remaining term is ri into 1 plus gm into beta. Hence rif equal to ri into 1 plus gm into beta. Here also the beta products, the beta term is in multiplication term. Okay. So that is the input resistance with feedback for the current series feedback amplifier is increases because of multiplication. Next, move to the output calculation. Output impedance calculations. Same circuit diagram. Here the difference is input circuit here short circuited. Okay, so that is nothing. Vs equal to 0. Ri input and along with feedback resistor, feedback voltage and in ii, that is for input current. Here output section, there is RL. Here there is a gap. Okay, there is nothing. RL tends to be infinity. When RL tends to be infinity means there is to be disconnected. That's the reason for this diagram. Okay, see here, there's two steps. RL tends to infinity means RL to be disconnected. And first input section Vs equal to 0 for short circuit in the input source. Okay, these two steps are very important for the output calculation of the any network. Here applying Kirchhoff current law to the output node. This is for output calculation, also output node. So I equal to V by R naught minus Gm into Vi. I equal to V by R naught. Okay, I equal to V. Here input, that is V naught can be replaced by V. Okay, so V divided by R naught minus Gm into Vi. Okay, that is for current law. According to current law, I equal to Vi by R naught minus Gm into Vi. Take equation number 1. Next step, Vi equal to Vs minus Vf. But here Vs value 0, isn't it? Because of short circuit in the input section. So here substitute 0 means Vi equal to minus Vf. Okay, we know Vf equal to beta into I naught, isn't it? So substitute here Vf equal to beta into I naught minus beta into I naught. Next step, substitute I naught equal to I. Here minus I. See here minus I naught equal to I. The whole term. Okay, along with the minus sign, that is for I. So Vi equal to beta into I. Take equation number 2. Next step, substitute equation number 2 in 1. So 1 can be replaced by I equal to V by R naught minus Gm into Vi. That is Vi equal to beta into I. Vi equal to beta into I. Substitute here. Okay, Vi beta into I. Next step, V by R naught. Here the I, the minus term to the left side means I plus Gm into beta I. The next step, take the common term to outside. That is I is the common term. No, so I take it as outside means the remaining is 1 plus Gm into beta. So V by I equal to R naught. That is V. That is I going to be right side and I going to be left side. That is for V by I equal to R naught into 1 plus Gm into beta. We know the calculation for the R naught, isn't it? So R naught equal to V by I. We know the formula V equal to IR. So R equal to V by I. So here this is for V by I. It's nothing. Here beta term to in terms of multiplication. So here also output resistance with feedback to be increases. Okay. Here small m nothing. Open loop transconductance without taking RL into the account. Small m means without RL and capital M means with RL. Next, for output R dash output with feedback calculations, that is R naught F parallel RL. Apply parallel resistance in parallel means apply the parallel formula R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Substitute the value of R naught F here. This is for R naught F value. Okay, this is for R naught F. Okay. Next step, numerator R naught RL into 1 plus beta into Gm, the whole divided by R naught to the inside. Multiply R naught to the inside. So R naught plus RL plus R naught into beta into Gm. It's a denominator term. Next step, that's numerator as well as the denominator divided by R naught plus RL. So numerator as R naught RL 1 plus beta into Gm, the whole divided by R naught plus RL. And for the denominator term, here see here R naught divided by R naught plus RL, isn't it? And plus here RL. So RL divided by R naught plus RL plus third term R naught beta into Gm divided by R naught plus RL, isn't it? Compare these two equations. Take LCM R0 plus RL, numerator as R0 plus RL, isn't it? Plus the term is same. So these both are get cancelled. So the answer is 1 plus the term. So here also 1 plus beta into GM R0 divided by R0 plus RL. Take the term that is instead of R0 dash equal to R0 RL divided by R0 plus RL. Okay, the whole term. Okay, ma'am. The whole term, take it as R0 dash. For the denominator also, capital GM. Okay, capital M. We know capital M means RL into the account. Small m means RL without account. That is RL means load resistor. So capital capital M equal to GM into R0 divided by R0 plus RL. Here this was small m. Okay, GM R0 divided by R0 plus RL. The whole term. Okay. This is for capital GM. This is for the calculation of R dash of F. Okay. Next, move to the third type. Okay, voltage shunt feedback amplifier. This is the equivalent circuit diagram of the voltage shunt feedback amplifier. Shunt. Okay, this is for sampling. This is for mixing. We know mixing as input section, sampling as output section. Okay. See here, voltage shunt feedback amplifier. Here this is the source for current source, IS and IF. IS and IF, beta into V0. Okay. Input resistance, here output section RM, because the combination of voltage and shunt, no, so that is for RM. Okay. RM into II and R0. This is for gain. Okay. RM into II, R0 here, this is for load resistor and output voltage. Next, as per the procedure, first apply the Kirchhoff current law. Okay. Here this is the current source. This is for current source, no. So apply Kirchhoff current law to the input section, because of input calculation, input resistance calculation. So IS equal to II, here IS equal to II plus IF. Substitute IF equal to beta into V0. So IS equal to II, same here. IF equal to, there is beta into V0, no. So beta into V0. Take equation number 1. Next step, the output voltage is written as nothing. Use apply voltage divider law. Okay. See here, voltage divider law nothing. RM into II and nearest to the resistor R0. Both are multiplication. The whole divided by R0 plus RL. This is for voltage divider law. This current divider law. Sorry, here this is for current divider law. Apply current divider law. Next step, the whole term, take it as capital RM. Okay, the whole term. Okay. RI, others R small m and R0 divided by R0 plus RL. Take it as capital M. Okay, R and capital M. The small m for without load resistor. Here capital M for with load resistor. See here, V0 equal to RM into II. Okay, take equation number 2. Next, substitute equation number 2 in 1. So 1 can be replaced by IS equal to II plus beta into RM into capital I input. See the difference? Small m or capital R into small m means open circuit trans resistance. Okay, capital M means open circuit trans resistance taking RL into the account. Okay, here both are same, but the difference is this is for without RL, this is for with RL. That's the difference. Next step, take the common term to outside. Here II, that is input current, is the common term. So take it as outside means the remaining as II bracket 1 plus beta into RM. Okay. Next, input resistance with the feedback is given by, we know that's formula. According to Ohm law, R equal to V by I. Here Ri with feedback too. So RIF equal to Vi by Is. Numerator is Vi and substitute Is value. This is for Is term. Okay. The whole term substitute here. So II bracket 1 plus beta into Rm. Okay. We know according to Ohm's law, Vi by Ia equal to Ri. That is for input resistance. No. So the substitute Vi by Ri equal to Ri the whole divided by 1 plus beta into Rm. Here see the beta term in the denominator, that is a division term. Okay. This is in the form of division. So division means input resistance of this circuit to be decreases. Okay, because the denominator term. This is a division format. So input resistance with feedback to be decreases. Next, output resistance calculation. See the circuit diagram. Here, this is for open circuit. So, open circuit means Is to be 0. Okay. Next, if RL to be infinity means that to be disconnected. Okay. When RL tends to infinity means the connection to be disconnected. This is a 2-pointer. Okay. For finding R dash of F, first point, RL is disconnected because RL tends to infinity. Second is source signal Is to be 0 because of open circuit. Okay. OC means open circuited. Third one, V0 is replaced with V. This is for V. Okay. V0 as considered as V. Next, remaining the same procedure followed by the previous one. Apply Kirchhoff voltage law to the output side because of output resistance calculation. No, so output side. So V equal to, see the output section, V equal to Rm into Ii plus I into R0. Okay. Rm into Ii, that is input current, plus I into R0. See here, next step, for simple calculations, I into R0 equal to V minus Ii into Rm, isn't it? So, I equal to V minus Ii Rm the whole divided by R0. So, write it here. So, I equal to V minus Ii into Rm divided by R0. Next, input current can be written as by using current divider rule. Okay, input current means nothing, by using current divider rule. Current divider rule. Next step, the input current can be written as Ia equal to Is minus If. We know for the input section, that is for open circuited. Open circuited means Is equal to 0, isn't it? So, Is equal to 0 means Ia equal to minus If only. So, minus If, we know If equal to beta into V. So, Ii equal to minus beta into V. Substitute equation number 2 in 1. So, 1 can be replaced by I equal to V plus Rm beta into V. That is nothing. This is for Ii. Okay. This is for Ii value divided by R0. Next step, for the numerator, V is common term. So, take it as outside. So, V outside means the remaining is 1 plus Rm into beta, the whole divided by R0. For the output resistance with feedback is given by R0 F equal to V, we know that is for current. Okay, R0 F equal to V by I. Okay, so here the left side is I, right side is V the whole term. Okay, so V by I means the term to be reversed. So R0 divided by 1 plus Rm into beta. Okay, here the difference between small m. Okay, small m means nothing. Open circuit trans resistance without taking the load resistor RL. Small m means without RL. Without, that's the important part. Without RL. Capital M means with RL. Next, output resistance. Okay, R0 dash, that is R dash of output resistance calculations. Same procedure. R, that is output feedback parallel to RL. To use the resistance in parallel formula. Okay, formula, we know formula R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Here substitute the value of R0 F. See here, this is for R0 F. R0 divided by 1 plus Rm into beta. Substitute here. This is for R0 F. Okay, here also R0 F. So numerator same numerator is same. For the denominator, take the LCM here. So LCM means numerator is R0 plus RL bracket 1 plus beta into Rm, the whole divided by 1 plus beta into Rm. Numerator term, the 1 plus beta into Rm, and denominator term 1 plus beta into Rm get cancelled. Next step, divided by numerator as well as the denominator by R0 plus RL. So numerator term is R0 RL divided by R0 plus RL, and the whole divided by denominator R0 plus RL divided by R0 plus RL get cancelled. So 1 plus beta Rm RL divided by R0 plus RL. Next, take the term, the whole term is R0 dash. Okay, the denominator small m, no, so take it as, here the whole term, take it as capital M. Okay, so beta into R capital M. Here capital M is nothing, here RL into the account. So that is RL as considered as the connections for the capital M. Okay. Indicates the open circuit trans resistance taking the load RL into the account. That's all about the output calculation of the circuit connection. That's all about the output calculation of the voltage shunt feedback amplifier. Move to the next one. The final one is current shunt feedback amplifier. Here shunt series. This is for sampling. Sampling means output section. Okay. This is for mixing circuit. Okay. Mixing. This is for input section. See the circuit diagram. Here this is for current source. Both. Okay. This represents for the current source. Here also current source. Input resistance. Here input current. Okay. Output section. This is for gain. Okay. AI, II. There is output resistance and along with load resistance. Same calculation procedure. Apply Kirchhoff current law to the input node. Apply Kirchhoff current law here means that is for IS. Okay. IS equal to II minus this is for IS. Source resistance. IS equal to II plus IF. Next step, substitute IF equal to beta into I naught. So II plus beta into I naught. Take equation number 1. Next step, the output current using current divider law. Current divider law. I naught equal to, this is I naught, no, I naught equal to AI into II into R naught, the whole divided by R naught plus RL. AI into R naught, the whole divided by R naught plus RL. Okay. Next step, I naught equal to AI into II. There is nothing. Small I and capital I. See the difference? The whole term, take it as capital AI. See the difference between small I and capital I means here in this small I without added load resistor. Okay, or here the adding of load resistor. That is for capital AI. Okay. Next step, substitute equation number 2 in 1. This is for equation number 1. No. Substitute I naught value to here. Hence equation number 1 can be replaced by IS equal to II plus beta into AI into II. Next step, take the common term to outside. Here the common term is II. So outside means 1 plus beta into AI. Then input resistance with feedback. RIF equal to, according to Ohm's law, R equal to V by I. Input means VI by IS. IS is input source, no? So IS. Here this is for IS, isn't it? So numerator VI, the whole divided by, substitute the value of IS. IS equal to II into the whole term. So this is for IS. Okay. Next, RIF equal to numerator, you know, VI by II equal to RI. So RI by 1 plus beta into AI. 1 plus beta into AI. See the comparison for the input resistance with feedback. Here the beta product, beta term in the denominator. So denominator means input resistance with feedback for the current shunt feedback amplifier to be decreases because of the division format. Okay. Next we know already explained. Small I means without, that's without RL. Okay. Without RL. Without. Okay. Without RL connection. This is for with RL connection. Okay. This is for all. Okay. Next, output impedance calculation. Okay. Output impedance calculation here, IS to be open circuited. So IS equal to 0. Okay. Next here, when RL tends to infinity means RL to be disconnected to the circuit. This is the steps to be followed for the output impedance calculation. There is RL disconnected because RL tends to infinity. Second one, signal source IS equal to 0 because of open circuit. V0 is can be replaced by V. This is 3 steps to be followed for the output impedance calculation. Next, apply Kirchhoff current law to the input, that is output node, because output calculation also output node. So I equal to V by R naught minus AI into RI. Refer the diagram. I equal to V by R naught. Okay, V by R naught minus AI into II. Okay, take equation number 1. Next, the input current II equal to IS minus IF. We know. Okay, IS equal input having 2 set of current, IS plus, that is IF. This is for beta, that is forward. Okay, sorry, feedback current. Okay, see here, II equal to IS minus IF. We know IS equal to 0 because of open circuit. No, IS 0 because of open circuit. So substitute 0 here means II equal to minus beta into I naught. IF value was beta into I naught along with minus sign. And IA equal to, that is I naught equal to, see here I can be replaced by minus into I naught. So substitute minus into I naught equal to plus I. Okay. And substitute the equation number 2 to 1. 1 can be replaced by I equal to V by R naught. Here see, V by R naught minus ai into I value was beta into I. So beta into I. Next step, v by r naught, keep it as it is. The minus term to be left side. So I plus ai into beta into I. Next step, take the common term to outside. So common term as I, that is current. I equal to 1 plus ai into beta. Okay. Next, for output resistance with feedback, R naught F equal to V by I. V by I, that's R naught into 1 plus ai into beta. See the comparison. Here the beta term to be in product, in the form of product. Okay, multiplication term. So multiplication means output resistance with feedback for the to be increases. Next, the output resistance with feedback R dash of F including RL. Simple calculations. R naught F and RL both are parallel. Use the parallel formula. Okay, R naught, that's R naught F RL divided by R naught F plus RL. If the resistance are parallel means R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. No, the same formula to be used here. So R dash of F equal to numerator as R naught, substitute the value of R naught F. R naught F value is, that is R naught, okay, 1 plus ai into beta into RL to here. The denominator substitute the value of R naught F. Okay, this is for R naught. The whole term is R naught F. Okay. Next step, take the, that's the numerator divided by numerator as well as the denominator by R naught plus RL. So numerator is numerator term, the whole divided by R naught plus RL divided by 1 plus R naught ai beta divided by R naught plus RL. For final simplifications, here substitute the whole term, the remaining term substitute as R naught dash. R naught dash. Okay. The whole divided by here except beta, the remaining term is capital AI. Here instead of small I means take it as capital AI. The whole term is capital AI. See the difference between small I and capital I. Here small I current, okay, without feedback, but here RL not included. For capital I, RL to be included. That's the difference between small I and capital I. For final answer, R dash of F equal to R naught dash bracket 1 plus ai beta, the whole divided by 1 plus beta into ai. That's all about today's topic. Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Malar Education channel. Thanks for watching.